Hello everyone, welcome to Dillwyn Road. Hello everyone, so now we are inside Dillwyn Road. So I want to quickly run you through the layout of the house that we have here. So we've got a fantastic open plan layout downstairs, followed by a kitchen, going upstairs to 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, and then an attic space right at the top there with 2 dual rooms as well. So let's have a little look around and get into it. Hello everyone, so now we are in the garden of Dillwyn Road. So it is a multi-layered garden with different levels. You've got a hot tub section, patio section just on the left there. You can imagine yourself being in this garden, looking up at the stars and the moon gang. So there we go then guys, you've seen the inside, you've seen the outside, and that's everything we've got for you on Dillwyn Road today. If any of these tick your boxes, reach out to me in the number below and we'd love to take you around.